I'm back here with a look at Blockstacks. Last time we looked at this thing, we put a target price up here, this box. If you go back and watch the video, you'll see that's where we put it, right up at 232 to right about 241. Alright, that was our target. We've hit that target, so we are going to reassess and see if this thing is going to go higher or what's going to go on here. But first off, we got to come over here and take a look at the crypto bubbles, see what's going on out there. There's for the week. Not too bad, huh? Some of this stuff is really XLM and XRP. You know, XRP 20 feels like it, a lot more than 28% for the week, huh? Let's look at the month. There we go. XLM 4x. Almost a 4.5x. XRP, 180%, almost a 2x. HBAR, just about a 2x. Doge, about 2x. A lot of that out there. This is going to get absolutely crazy pretty soon, people. I'm telling you. Here's for the year, all right? Pepe's done a oops, sorry about that. That's my Bitcoin alert. Pepe's done a 17x. I apologize about that, guys. That'll go away here. I set that for a entry for a trade here, short on Bitcoin. Bonk has done an 11x, MOG. Not real familiar with that, but that's not too shabby. A 97x. You imagine? If you threw $1,000 in that, it's ranked number 100 now. It's just in the top 100. But if you threw $1,000 at this thing, you would have $97,500. Crazy. I love crypto. It's unbelievable, isn't it? But these numbers are going to go up a lot more for these. Cardano, Theta, HBAR, XRP, Uni, all these are going to go probably way up. Not financial advice, guys. I don't give that stuff. Not a financial advisor. Got to say that stuff and protect yourself out here. It's crazy. Somebody go sell their house and you said it was going to $10. You got to be careful. Yes, you got Bitcoin pushing up here. It looks like it's retesting this area up here and probably coming back down. All right, on a 15-minute. If we zoom in on this thing, it could be going higher. Could be, absolutely. You got right in here. Yeah, it's through 1618 here on this push. You could have an uptrend starting here with this thing. So keep an eye on Bitcoin. That looks like might have found a bottom. I expected this thing to come down deeper, but looks like we are doing, wow, bounced from, didn't even get to the 382. That's showing some pretty decent strength, actually. Where I am going to really be curious if it gets through or not is right up here. All right, made it through this first 12-hour resistance. I have one up. Is that a 4-hour up here? Yeah. Right up here, so we'll have to keep an eye on that and see if it gets rejected or not. It fell through this trend line, but that is a very bullish engulfing candle to take up this one on the left, the red one. We got a higher low coming in here, and it started out the open of this candle was down here. All right, so this is where it opened, and it's ran straight up. Right up here though, this is the next area you're gonna have to watch. 94.8. It hits at $95,000, then this correction would be over, and you'd be looking more than likely at looks like an ABC in here. Right. Let's see here, just an extended C leg, A, B, C, like that, and then possibly done. Quite honestly, excuse me, I was looking for this thing to come down maybe to right around 90 to maybe even 87. All right, down here at the bottom, you have the start of your up move, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This should be just all a third wave right here, and a fourth wave pullback right into here. Okay, right. This should all be one. This is all one wave, right? You got 1, 2, 3, 5 waves in there. That is a 3 wave. All right. Then you should have an ABC in here for a fourth wave pullback. and then a fixed wave to the upside with Elliott waves. All right, down here, this is where, give you a little bit more of an idea. All right, you got a 1, 2, this is all a 3. You know, he's looking for pullback down there, possibly in a 5 up to the upside here. All right, and the reason I think that is normally a fourth wave gives about a 382 pullback, you know, at the least, and 382 is down here at 87.3, you know, 87.4, somewhere down there. That's a big difference here. You know, we're at this bottom came in at what, 93, something like that. You know, so I'm watching to see if it pulls down here. Definitely be keeping an eye on that. We'll see how it reacts through here, if it gets up through this resistance or not. But keep an eye on Bitcoin, all right? Obviously, that runs the market. You got a big fat green candle there. What stacks have here on the? What is that on the 12? What was Bitcoin on here? Yeah, or the daily. That's a big green candle on the daily. What was Blockstacks? Was it green today? Oh yeah. Yeah. And then when Bitcoin dominance starts dropping, look out. This market is absolutely going to explode. Yeah, these coins are going to just absolutely tear it up. All right, anywhere you put this down through here, it's broken resistance, you know, and started running. Doesn't matter where you put the resistance line really, but it's broke through any type of resistance like that. Now you can see over here, as Blockstacks is coming up here, it does have a trend line it's holding right here. Okay, you want to keep an eye on that. Obviously, any break of this trend line, you have a break of trend, right? Looks like possibly a 1, 2, working on a third wave. I would expect this thing to come up towards this area next, right up into here, anywhere 280 to $3, right up in that range. All right, that's the 618702. This looks like a 1, 2, and looks like we're working on a third wave here. The daily RSI looks great. It's at an 80 and a 61 down here in the bottom. These numbers right over here. Oops, sorry about that. Right above my finger there. If the blue is bigger than the orange, you're bullish. 80 and a 61. The daily looks perfect. The weekly, 94 and an 81 looks good. Monthly is just turning up. All right, it's at a 26 and a 24. That's what you want to see for the real big moves. All right, I expect this thing to really start ripping. All right, back here, this was 2021. I was here for all of that. All right, and now on a monthly, we are right at the 702, the 702 Fibonacci level. That's the level you really want to keep an eye on. All right, this is overall. This is on a monthly chart. Each one of these candles represents 1 month, or 1 month of price action. All right, so had a high here. What was it, about $3.80? I'm expecting eventually, you know, this bull run or alt season. Not sure if we're going to have a full-blown out bull run or not. But we get through this level here, 280 to $3. This would be the next target up here. And the reason I really think that, check this out. If you're familiar with Elliott waves, those of you out there that are in the members group know that this market normally moves in impulsive waves, normally of five sets, especially something like this. You know, you had 5 and over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's what this thing's working on here. All right, you can see it forming out the monthly RSI. Look at this. I mean, look down here at the bottom. It's at a 26 and a 24. It's just starting to the upside. All right, so Blockstacks is one of those ones you definitely want to keep an eye on. Overall, you know, could be heading up towards a little over $5. You know, and make it through there. 8 is the next, but you know, first things first. 280 to $3, and I want to tell you guys about the Discord membership. That's a level 3 membership. We have over 200. Well, not over. It's like 197. members in the group. This is the time we're making money, guys. When Bitcoin dominance breaks this support, okay, right over here, this market is absolutely going to go absolutely insane. All right, I've talked about this forever. It's a level 3 membership. It's $15. That's it. Sign up and you come over to Discord and trade with us. We're over there every day listing trades. Where I'm just looking for Bitcoin dominance here. It might be up further. I got to put this. There it was. Right here. But you get over 10 hours of videos to teach you how to start charting. All right, how to draw trend lines, all that stuff, and you get a link to the Discord to come trade with us. All right, so I've talked about this for a year. As soon as Bitcoin hit the 618 Fibonacci, the dominance, Bitcoin dominance, and it's going to get rejected, break this yellow trend line, and absolutely tear. All right, that's when the altcoins are really going to take off. Same thing happened back here in 2021, right here. This big fall right here, and guess where the dominance hit when it took off. All right, you got it. Boom, right here, 618. Hit it here first time, rolled over, came back up, hit it a second time, and there you go. I was here for all this back through here. This was incredible, and expecting this one to run down into the 20 percentile area for Bitcoin dominance. So this is when you're going to make a pile of money. You want to be in with everybody else. Everybody's looking at different charts. We're killing it over there. I love it. And this thing's going to break. Look at it, pushing down. Pushed up to what, 61 and a half, and it's down now to 58 something, 58 and a half. So getting there. Look at this. This is the biggest red candle that Bitcoin dominance has printed since back June 2022. Right here where it rolled over a little bit, but this is going to be a big fall right here. All right, thank you so much, guys. Go sign up for that level 3. You'll love it. Also, in the description of the video is a link I used to trade with. It's called BitTunics. No KYC, no VPN. I love it. Check it out. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.